Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make user snippets in VS Code. User snippets basically allows you to avoid typing repetitive codes, for example the head portion of the HTML file. You may have seen some YouTubers typing some words and a bunch of code lines appears from nowhere. No, that's not magic. Let's see how we can also do that. Firstly, select the manage option, that is the setting button in the bottom left of the screen. Now select user snippets. You can see in the command box there are multiple options of different languages. Select for which you want the snippets. I am creating a snippet for HTML. You will see some default text tutorial here, that how you will create the snippets. Let me just copy it and paste it down, removing the command slashes so we can make modifications here. Here prefix you can say is the shortcut key or text which on typing will evoke the body part of your snippet. I am declaring boiler h as my prefix, so whenever I will type boiler h in my HTML file, it will be replaced by all the content that I am going to write in the snippet body. I have some default code lines that I want in my snippet body, so I need not to write them every time in my HTML files. Now put every line of the body in quotes ending with a comma. After doing this, now for every quoted text in between the body lines, we have to put a backslash before every quote, so the computer can understand that the quote is not for any operation. It has to be written as it is. Let me just correct it. Now our snippet is ready to use. Let me save the file. You can see on typing boiler h, the content of the snippet is on the screen now. There is one more manipulation you can do with the snippet, like not every time your title will be this. So you can put $1 in quotes, which will then put a placeholder there. You can create the placeholder as many as you want. Just you need to increase the number after the $sign. Thank you so much for watching the video. If it helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.